Hello students, our topic is construct the FA that excluding epsilon. Construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where excluding epsilon. Now they said all the strings of A's and B's nothing but now alphabet is A comma B. Alphabet is A comma B. Now for this what could the sigma star here? This is sigma star is epsilon A comma B comma AA BB AB BA, like many strings will be there. Now as I told you, positive closure also, what could be the sigma plus here? Epsilon will not be there. Epsilon will not be there. Only single A, single B, AA, BB, AB, BA, like any number of strings will be there. That you would understand. Sigma plus does not containing epsilon of universal language. It is containing epsilon. Now what is the question? The question is excluding epsilon, except epsilon, all the strings should accept, means we need to construct the FA for positive closure of sigma. So please do understand. So now Q naught should not require to make a final state because epsilon should not accept. Single A, single B should accept. So Q naught on A, Q naught on B, I'll make it the Q1 is another state. So I'll make Q1 as a final state. So after that, any number of A's and B's comes, that should accept it. So this is a simple FA for positive closure of sigma. Are you getting? See, W equal to if you give A will accept, W equal to B given, that will accept, A if you give, AA will accept, BB will accept, AB will accept, BA will accept, or any number of A's followed by B or any number of B's followed by A if you give, this will accept. Yes or no? So this is what positive closure of sigma, you understand. Now number of states, how many we got? Just number of states in FA or DFA we got 2. Thank you.